Today, the Trump administration issued a new rule interpreting a provision of the Affordable Care Act. It is an unconscionable rule. It is a rule that attempts to or seeks to deny healthcare from people. That would be unconscionable at any time, but in the midst of a pandemic, it's particularly cruel and egregious. Most strikingly, what the regulation purports to do is to say that its non-discrimination provision doesn't provide coverage to different people, for example, transgender individuals. It is our strong view that the Trump administration can change the reg, it can try to roll back protections, but the statute says what the statute says. And the statute says, provides protections, and that will be the position we'll take. We're already in court in a number of cases in which we've pointed to the protections afforded by the Affordable Care Act against discrimination. So we're in court against different healthcare institutions that have refused to provide care in ways that we say are impermissible discrimination. And we'll stay in court and continue to argue that the statute provides those protections, no matter what the administration did with these rules. Given everything that this administration has done, there's no way to interpret their actions as other than their attempt to roll back protections for transgender people. We can look to what the administration is doing in the United States Supreme Court. In the United States Supreme Court, there is pending a series of cases about whether prohibitions on discrimination based on sex and employment provide protections against discrimination based on sexual identity, sexual orientation and gender identity, forgive me. And there the administration has argued an understanding of sex that would exclude or deny protections under that statute for people based on their sexual orientation, their gender identity. This is not an administration that has done anything other than try to strip protections away from transgender people.